Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your carrier plan actually includes data roaming and that your account has no blocks. Once done, toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds and restart the iPhone to refresh radios. Next, open Settings General About to force any carrier settings update. If a prompt appears, install it. Doing these quick checks fixes many issues because they reset network state and apply provider fixes without changing deeper settings. Now dig into network settings. Go to Settings Cellular and ensure cellular data and data roaming are enabled. If you still lack service, turn off automatic network selection and manually pick the carrier to force proper registration. If mobile data connects but won't browse, check, or reset the APN. Either tap Reset Network Settings or enter the carrier's APN values exactly. These steps target authentication and routing issues that prevent packet data even when the radio is active. Finish by updating iOS to the latest release and reinstalling the carrier profile. This often restores compatibility with roaming partners. If problems persist, try the SIM in another unlocked phone or test a different roaming-capable SIM in your iPhone to isolate hardware versus account issues. Make sure to record the IMEI and exact error messages, then contact carrier support. If they can't resolve it, request a network-side refresh or temporary roaming unlock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.